Namaste friends. Today I shall show you how we can make 100% natural shampoo using very easily available ingredients at our place. The ingredients that promote hair growth like hibiscus flower petals, amla, fenugreek seeds, aloe vera, rosemary herb, basil, neem, sage, etc. are used, and they can either be in fresh form or in dry form. A tiny piece of edible camphor, few black peppercorns, and essential oils are optional. The rice starch can also be used and it is also optional. Now, here in this recipe, I am using the ingredients like big size de-seeded soap nuts, water, aloe vera, 2 orange peels, 2 pomegranate peels, fenugreek seeds, flax seeds, Thai basil, rosemary herb, and black peppercorns, edible camphor, and essential oils as well. Let us see the process of making. First, rinse the soap nuts with plain water and then drain that water. Then use fresh water again to soak these soap nuts for around 15 to 20 hours. Please make sure that the soap nuts are well submerged in the water. I have also soaked the fenugreek seeds overnight and soaked the flax seeds just for 15 minutes. Transfer the soaked soap nuts to a big vessel and add additional a liter of water. Then take the vessel to the stove and allow the soap nut and water mixture to boil in a medium flame. Once it starts to boil, reduce the flame and add all the other ingredients one after other. So here I am adding first the soaked fenugreek seeds, soaked flax seeds, then the orange and pomegranate peels, aloe vera gel, rosemary herb, basil, then finally the black peppercorns and edible camphor as well. Stir all the ingredients once and slightly close the lid and continue to boil in the low flame. After 10 to 15 minutes of boiling, when all the ingredients have become soft like the soap nut shells and the pomegranate peels, we can now switch off the stove and allow the mixture to cool down. It might take around 3 to 4 hours to cool down. Then collect the liquid extract in a new big vessel. Then add additional 500 ml of water and nicely smash all the ingredients well. This way we can extract all the saponins from the soap nuts. We could also use rice starch instead of water. Rice starch is actually very good to make our hair soft, lustrous, and also it promotes hair growth. And not only that, it helps to preserve the shampoo as well. If you're not comfortable using rice starch, you may just avoid and use plain water. Next, collect all the liquid extract by filtering and remove the fibers, and you may use these fibers in a compost bin. Now take this collected liquid extract again back to the stove and continue to boil in a low flame. It can soon come to boil and might even overflow. Once it starts to boil, just give it a stir and you can switch off the stove now. Once the mixture has cooled down, we can add the essential oil and collect in a shampoo container like this. This shampoo gives quite good amount of foam, just like ordinary chemical shampoos. And if you have oiled the hair well, still it can generate foam, but we need to shampoo twice. The shelf life of the shampoo is more than a month. Just shake the bottle each time before we use, because two layers will be formed, all the solid sediments will settle at the bottom. So better shake the bottle and use. If your body is already cool type and this shampoo is causing sneezes and all to you, just heat the shampoo in a small vessel before use and the cooling effect can be nullified. Hope you will all start making this wonderful 100% natural shampoo and avoid all kinds of chemicals and their adverse effects on our body and the environment. Thank you.